Wait, I forgot. I made one video about 2 games. Please do watch them. They'll be in the description below. Watch them, enjoy them, give them a thumbs up. Hey guys, what's up? This is Arham back with another video just for you guys. Before we start, make sure to hit the subscribe button, make sure the bell icon is ringing, and give me a thumbs up. We're gonna start today's video as a book review. If you guys don't know, these books are found almost everywhere. But if you guys don't want to buy them, you can just I will be doing book reviews about all of Roald Dahl's book. And the first chapter is Here Comes Charlie. Charlie's a very small boy, very poor, very hungry all the time. Because, you see, his family wasn't rich. They weren't anything. They lived in a small hut, actually. They lived in the hut. They found nothing to do. They used to eat very less food. Only breakfast and dinner. Well, one day, there's this Grandpa Joe, the oldest grandpa, tells him a story about the most famous chocolate inventor, guys. If you guys don't know who that is, it is Willy Wonka. Willy Wonka, he told him Willy Wonka made a chocolate palace for the Indian king. Charlie was amazed by what it would have been doing. Before he used to go to sleep, he kept on asking Grandpa Joe stories about the great Willy Wonka. I've also seen the movie, guys, so I know every inch of this. In this, after a few weeks, Willy Wonka is still alive. Willy Wonka's alive. That's true. And Grandpa Joe tells him a story where he used to work for Willy Wonka. I was actually kind of surprised when I first read that, guys. So it seems like even I was a good starter before we started. But let's continue more, guys. Let's go straight to the middle. In the middle, Willy Wonka sends secret workers straight out. Do you guys know why Willy Wonka closed his factory? I should have told you guys that in the Indian Prince, once the whole palace melted because it was a very sunny day, Willy Wonka started making his chocolate factory a secret, such a secret. Then spies did not like it at all. They did not like it. So what spies did, they sneaked inside his factory and kept on doing it because the door was always open. And that was the day where Grandpa Joe was fired. Okay, let's continue straight to the middle, guys. We don't want to talk anything about the past right now. First things first, let me tell you what Charlie is holding in his hand. Can you guys recognize it? Well, it's a golden ticket. You see, he was the last person to get the golden ticket. You see? Okay. First, let me tell you how Willy Wonka told all the people outside, because he would never want to come outside now. People started stealing his recipes, but they couldn't get over the fence. It was very high. That's why he closed the gates, fired every person, and Willy Wonka is back. Willy Wonka asked some secret workers to leave, go to trees, put glue and stick them, and it said, "Dear world, I'm releasing my chocolate factory to 5 people. Please do come." I can't remember too much of it, but he said, whoever receives my 5 golden tickets, they're inside chocolate bars. And 4 people get it, Charlie thinks he's gonna lose. He went to a shop that sells chocolate. He grabbed those chocolates. He only grabbed one chocolate, but there was so much left. He could have grabbed one more. And exactly when he opened it, a flash, he saw the golden ticket fall right between his eyes. And he finally realized he was the last person to get the golden ticket. And all the other students, they did not listen to Mr. Willy Wonka. Some of them fall down the garbage chute. Some of them turn into a giant bubble gum. That would have been horrible. One of them ate too much of chocolate. He got sucked up in a pipe. And I'm pretty sure the pipe exploded before it could have even grabbed him. Okay, guys, it's time for the end. Guess who survived the whole thing? Please. Just think. It's easy. The only person who survived was Charlie. He didn't do anything bad or anything. And there was also this person called Mike TV. He loved to watch TV. But you don't call him TV. We call him TEV. Mike TV. If you guys don't know in the pronunciation. Mike TV. They were in this room where it could have taken. He took the chocolate and ate it. Actually, Charlie did. He was brave enough. Mike TV said, it's just a TV. There's no way that chocolate is real. And it was true. It was real. Because when Charlie touched it, when Charlie made his hand go into the TV, it's like a hologram. Your hand went right through, grabbed the chocolate, and ate it. It was perfect. They shrunk a giant chocolate into a small little piece of chocolate bar. That's amazing because Willy Wonka, his factory is so big, guys. And that's how Mike TV got turned into a tiny, meany person. Then in the end, he turns into a paper. He's so large. He's larger than his father. I can't believe how bad was it for all the other people. The last part is Willy Wonka asks Charlie to be the new person. He asked Willy. Charlie said no because he would leave his family behind, never follow them ever again. In the end, guys, can you guess how Willy Wonka got Charlie to stay in his factory? Willy Wonka finally met his father. Yeah, his father was a dentist. That's why he allowed no chocolates, guys. So this is the end of my book review. If you guys want to see more book reviews, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon and a thumbs up. Guys, my next book review will be on Matilda. Since you guys know everything in Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, it's time for you guys to answer some questions. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer them each. Actually, you can't talk to me, so please write them in the description. Okay, I'll give you guys 50 seconds, okay? Please, this is the max I can give you. Here, first question. Was Charlie poor, rich, or just a small person living in a small hut? You can either choose 2 options. Actually, was he rich? Was he poor? Was he living in a hut? Or was he living in a giant mansion? This is very easy, guys. I already told you in the beginning. If you can't remember, please do go straight back, listen to it, come in the description, write the answer, and tell me later. Next question, guys. Was Charlie like all the other people who got down? Did Charlie also go down? Yes or no? Next one is truth or false. Charlie was the only one who survived. True or false? Charlie wasn't able to survive and he got shrunk into a TV. I told you guys this one. You gotta guess. Okay, guys. You've answered all the answers. If you guys actually did write them, I will see them, I will correct them, and I'll tell you in another video later. My second book review will be on Matilda. Okay, bye guys. Please do subscribe. Please make sure to watch my second book review. It's on Matilda. Please stick with me. Wait, I forgot. I made one video about 2 games. Please do watch them. They'll be in the description below. Watch them, enjoy them, give them a thumbs up. Bye bye guys. See you in the next video.